Well, let's have a look at the trade summary for a couple of the trades. We can't go through all of them, but a couple of the trades that we set up and triggered and traded on the live session at Traders Haven. If you look at the chart in front of you, obviously the 4-hour USD chart, the first thing you'll notice if you follow the MDM thread there at Traders Haven is this little bar about here. Now that is a ZLB pattern, as we term it, a zero line break. And once we had that confirmed, obviously on the close of this candle here, what we did is we jumped in short because we were not only producing a signal of a ZLB on the MACD, but we had confirmation of a close and a new candle open below the 89 EMA as well. So that was a good sign for us. We jumped in. We targeted the 200 EMA, didn't quite get there, so we lost about 3 pips as it pulling back. But on the pullback, you know, we decided that it's a good idea to get out because it looked like it might be bouncing. So we got out with a good 30 pips on that trade. We got a double bottom low then when the new candle opened, and as we watched this pattern, you can see it got quite high, and we were hoping that it would close up there and give us a double bottom low with a higher close, which is another pattern that we follow very close, very reliable pattern on the MDM thread. As you can see, it got a big pullback, and so we didn't get that. So we exercised some patience and we decided to wait and see what it would produce. When we saw that it closed as a bullish bar and it was a twin low at the bottom here in a PPA area with the support of the 200 and the 50% Fibonacci, you know, we said this is a high probability trade, and so we took the long on the open of the new candle. As you can see, the long's not even in there anymore because we targeted the 21 EMA. We pipped it, as you can see, by about a pip or two, and that's fantastic. We got out there with a good 62 pips profit, and so, you know, very nice 2 trades on the Euro USD today. The other trades we took were about 3 of them on the USD JPY, and we also took a trade on the Swissy that we're still in at the moment, and we also took a trade on the pound that played out very beautifully as well. So a good wrap up for the day. A good, I think it was 280 pips that we took out the session today, which was not bad at all. If you want to trade these patterns, learn how to trade, come trade with us in the live trading sessions at faptradershaven.com. And go through and have a look at the MDM thread as well. You'll see a lot of the patterns, how to trigger them and so on. And you can join us in the live sessions as we trade and trigger these patterns in the live market.